Welcome to this course on PLC programming using CoDeSys. My name is Marco, I'm an automation engineer from Italy and I will be your teacher for this course. In this course we will learn what a PLC is, how it works, its components and internal mechanisms. We will learn all the definitions and features of the IEC 611313 standard that dictates PLC programming rules internationally. We will learn PLC programming languages and software structures. We will then move on to the CoDeSys development environment, learning all the languages from the standard with a focus on the structured text language. We will learn the basics of programming patterns for automation applications. The course will have a lot of practical examples and exercises. All exercises will have a graphical simulation of an industrial application that will help you understand all the concepts by seeing with your eyes the results of your programming. You don't need to have any previous knowledge to access this course. Some electronics or computer science knowledge might help, but all you need is a technical mentality and a desire to learn. Many companies look for PLC programmers on a daily basis, and this is a career that may lead to many job opportunities. At the end of this course, you will have achieved a good knowledge of PLCs and you will be able to program them on your own and make your way into the industrial automation field.